So, you want to own a rental property? My name is Garrett Wong, owner of Upper Edge Property Management. In today's segment, we're going to be teaching you how to renovate a house. Ready to renovate? Now what? As the title of this episode implies, I want to teach you how to renovate a house, but we only have 2 minutes for this video, so I thought I'd share a bit of my journey. When I purchased my first rental property, a large duplex for $4,600, that's a story for another day. The copper pipes were cut out of the house, electrical wiring was a mess, and what was left from that were fuses and knob and tube. It needed paint. At first, we had to remove all of the needles and other drug paraphernalia. Did I mention we paid $4,600 for the building? The hot water tanks were stolen, the toilets and all of the fixtures were burst and broken because of frozen plumbing. You know, I had worked on some cars when I was younger, but other than changing a spark plug, I'd never really set foot inside the house for renovations or held a hammer before. So I chose to hold the flashlight. Now, holding the flashlight is the concept of hiring a trade, offering to hold the flashlight so they can work. And it allows you to watch what they're doing, ask questions, and learn on the job. Once you get used to the vocabulary, you see the specialized tools and processes, it'll give you the much needed knowledge to be able to converse intelligently with any of the trades you will hire for future projects. And if there are basic things such as minor plumbing or carpentry, such as hanging kitchen doors, cabinets, hanging drywall, taping, painting, the list goes on, you'll be able to tackle these jobs in the future. Even if you aren't a handy person and never intend to pick up a screwdriver or a hammer, holding the flashlight is still very valuable and can provide you a ton of experience instead of getting a phone call and being told there's something unexpected the contractors found when they opened up a wall. You'll gain this valuable first-hand knowledge and will eventually be able to suggest alternative solutions as opposed to just listening to the trades without knowing if they're intentionally overselling a repair. And that's it for today. Join us next week where we will be discussing best practices when running a renovation. See you next time.